6-foot ball. We're going to carry on with our passing. And we warm up as always. It's really important to warm up, and it's also really important to cool down. That's why all the challenges that I've been showing you towards the end of my videos, that's part of our cool down. So we're first going to start with open the gate. So we're going to open our gate with both legs on the side as well. You can have your hands, the legs, you can have it on your hips. It's important to take your time with the warm up and not rush things. Okay? And a couple more. Great. Shake your legs. Super. Now we're going to get in our push-up position, and we're going to touch our knees with our opposite hands. So like this. Okay? If it's too hard touching your knees, try to touch your tummy. Okay, if you can't touch your knees. And we're going to do 20. You ready? Super. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 5 more. Super, and stand up and rest. It's working on my core strength, my abs. This is a really good one. Super. Going to do one more. We're going to jump 180 jumps. So I'm going to jump and face that way, carry on jumping and facing you. And we're going to do 10 jumps. Ready? Use your arms. Super, amazing. Take 20 seconds. Remember to practice all the dribbling skills that I showed you. Pass. It's always better if you have someone in your family getting involved to pass, to dribble, just to interact with. We need the bench again for my passing. And we did the inside of our foot and stopping and doing all these things. Now, let's add to that. Let's do a V shape behind our back and then pass. Okay? Stop, pass. Or try to use the outside of your foot, so our small toe. So I'm going to pass with my small toe, stop the ball with the sole of my foot with the same foot. So outside of my foot, small toe. The small toe is the first one touching the ball when I push it. And if you aim straight, the ball is going to come back to you. Again, if I will pass it that way, the ball is going to go that way. So I really need to be careful and know to react and get ready. That's why I'm on my tippy toes to react. So I use my right foot and stopping like this. Then I'm going to use my left foot to do the same. Small toe, small toe, small toe. Outside of my foot, small toe, when I stop the ball like this. Now I'm going to pass with the outside of my foot, but I'm going to stop it with the inside of my foot instead of my sole. So, small toe, small toe, stop it with the inside. Small toe, stop it with the inside. Or you can just small toe, inside, small toe, inside, small toe, inside. Carry on without stopping. Same with the left foot, small toe, inside, or small toe, stop it with the inside of your foot, small toe, inside, small toe, side. Okay, I can do a V shape. I can do a little bit of step over, inside, small toe. You can do so many things, but if you master these basics of small toe, which is the outside of your foot, big toe inside of your foot, and how to pass and how to dribble and how to do a step over or change direction or drag and go the other way. So many things you can do. Okay? Or you could do small toe inside of the other foot. Small toe inside of the other foot. Small toe, small toe, small toe, small toe. Okay? Practice on that. As a challenge for today, try to do as many kipi-apis just using your feet or just using your knees or just using your head. If you're using your head, you can lift the ball and start with your kipi-apis using the head like this. 1, 2, but try to go for 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 8, see how many you can do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave me comments and take care. Bye bye.